Hello lovelies, I'm back, and what better month to come back than Pride Month. For the entire month of June, I will be doing Pride flag related makeup looks so that I can help you wear your pride. I am going to be doing makeup today based on the bisexual flag, and let's get to it. I'm so excited to show you guys what I've created. So I've made this look, hopefully what I think is going to be a fairly simple, easy to do look. So I'm going to start off by taking some dark blue and I'm putting it on like an angled brush, and I'm going to kind of dab that into the shape that I'm looking to do. So I'm kind of dabbing and pulling it. Into the shape that I'm looking. The shape that I'm trying to go for, I'm somewhat following my crease at the beginning, and then I'm going to bring it into a triangle at the end here. So I'm going to make that triangle so that it's kind of like a really thick eyeliner wing. And now that I've got that shape kind of figured out, I'm going to fill it in by doing the same thing. I'm just going to be tapping that color into the shape that I created. And I'm tapping it in so that I can get the most of that color, the most vivid, saturated color, instead of brushing it in. And if you want to make it look even more vibrant, you could take a blue matte lipstick and do that before putting eyeshadow on, or just use the blue matte lipstick. I unfortunately do not have a blue matte lipstick because I would love that, so I need to find myself one. Alright, now that I've got the shape, I've got the color all built in, I'm going to do the other eye, so I will be one moment while I do that. Now that I have the other eye done, I'm going to take that same blue on the same angled brush, and I am going to just build the pigment under the eye just a little bit. And I'm building the pigment on the under part of my eye, starting from the front. I don't want to go all the way across, just a little in the front. And I'm just kind of feathering it out a little bit to give that a little more dramatic look. Now I've cleaned that same brush, and I'm going to go in with a purple, and I'm just going to dab a little bit of the purple under my eye, right in the middle section. And I'm just going to blend it out just a smidge. And the purple is done. I'm now going to take a bright pink and dab that at the end here. Now that I have that done, I'm going to go in with this water activated eyeliner that I got from Hex Baby Beauty. I have so many, and I am suddenly completely obsessed with water activated eyeliner. But I'm taking the hot pink one that I got called Siam, not sure how it's pronounced. I'm going in with a paintbrush and some water, getting some of that pigment on my paintbrush. And now with this hot pink, I'm going to outline the blue. If you do have issues doing eyeliner, if you find your hands a bit shaky, you can put your elbow on the table or something, and that kind of helps steady your arm a little bit. I'm inspired by thirst. I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. Right. I'm just kind of filling in some spots where I think the blue is coming through. Just going to add a little bit more to the front inner corner. And I'm going to do this exact same step on the other eye as well. For the eyebrows, I think I'm also going to be doing the bisexual flag colors. I'm going to be putting a dark blue at the end, and I'm taking a thinner angled brush to do this. And I shaved the tails off of my eyebrows, so I'm going to extend the eyebrow out here just a little bit, so that I can draw the tail on. Okay, and then I'm just going to fill in the end with blue. Going to do the same thing on the other eyebrow. I'm going to take that tail out just a little bit. And then I'm going to fill it in with the blue. Then I'm going to go in with a purple, and I'm going to take the purple all the way to the end here. And I'm just going to fill that in. I'm going to use the spoolie at the end to kind of blend the purple and the blue together. And do the same on the other side. And now with that bright pink water activated eyeliner I got, I'm going to make some eyebrow hairs at the beginning. Okay, going to add a bit of mascara on my eyelashes. And then I'm going to take my brush on eyelash adhesive, and I'm going to brush the adhesive directly onto my eyelash lid, close to my eyelashes. I find this the easiest way to put on eyelashes. I'm going to leave that to dry just a little bit until it becomes a little more clear, a little more tacky, less liquidy. And while I do that, I'm going to add some blush onto my cheeks and my nose. I'm just going to pat that on to right above where I put my contour. And then I'm going to kind of blend it out. And for the nose, I'm just going to put a little bit under the tip. Right now, I think that my eyelash glue is dry enough, not completely dry, but enough that the eyelashes are going to basically immediately stick to my eyelid. I'm going to take my eyelashes that I got from Crystal Lashes, which is also just like, I don't think I can buy eyelashes from anywhere else now. They're perfect. They're super long, and I'm just obsessed. I am in love. Now I'm taking that, I'm going to start with the front, and I'm going to stick the front corner on, and then I'm going to lay the rest of the lash down, push it in, make sure it's nice and stuck. And I'm going to leave that to finish drying and do the other side. Now I'm going to take some purple highlighter, and I'm going to add that just on the top of my cheekbones and a little on the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose. And I'm blending that out onto my forehead. And then I'm going to take a black lipstick and apply that to my lips. And I am done. I hope all of you bisexual baddies are as in love with this look as I am. I am absolutely obsessed. I hope you find inspiration and creativity and just really liked my tutorial. I hope I did your flag justice. Before we end, I would like to remind everybody that Pride Month is a month to just be who you are. Be proud of who you are. Don't let anybody take that away from you. be proud of who you are, celebrate the diversity that makes us all unique. Unfortunately, some people are unable to do that and do it in a safe environment. So that is what Pride Month is for. We need to use Pride Month to try to create a more inclusive and accepting and loving world, because nobody should be afraid to be themselves. Nobody should be treated any differently for loving who they love. You guys should all be able to be yourselves. In my bio, I added some links that I hopefully think will be helpful, as well as a list to some charities. So if you do have the extra money, please feel free to donate to any of these charities. If you know of any other helpful links that you think could help somebody that maybe has been in a situation that you've been in, please feel free to post them in the comments. I appreciate your guys' support. I appreciate you guys letting me be part of your Pride journey and share my creativity on your flag and putting it on your face so that you too can pridefully wear your flag. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Also, if you have a flag that you're just really excited for me to do next, let me know. I think that the next one that I'm going to be doing is the lesbian flag. So I will see you then. Love you. Bye.